Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your First National Bank card step by step clearly. To activate your First National Bank card, start by locating your new card. Ensure you have it in hand as well as any associated documentation. Next, find the phone number or website for card activation. You'll typically find this information on a sticker attached to your new card. If using the phone option, dial the number provided on the sticker. Listen carefully to the automated instructions. When prompted, enter your card number using your phone's keypad. You may also need to provide your personal identification information for verification. If you prefer the online method, open a web browser and navigate to the First National Bank website. Look for the Activate Card section on the home page. Click this link to begin the activation process. You will usually be prompted to enter your card number and personal details. Fill in all required fields accurately. After entering your information, submit the activation form. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your card has been successfully activated. If you experience any issues during this process, contact the customer service number provided. Once your card is activated, you can start using it for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.